Hello guys, welcome to my channel Rahul Automation Studio. In my last video, we have seen how to write test case in a manual mode. So basically in Catalan Studio, we can write our test case in three ways. We can do the record and replay, and we can write our test case in a manual mode, and we can write our test case in a script mode. So today I'm going to explain you how we can write our test case in a script mode. So first of all, we will create our one test case. Just right click on text cases, create new test case, give a name test quiz underscore catalog login underscore script mode. Just click on OK. So once we are creating our test case file, so we have to capture the objects on which we are going to perform the actions. So in this, we are going to example with the login in the catalog.com website. So I have already captured the object for you. So if you don't know how to capture, you can take the help of object spy feature. So let's start creating our test case in script mode. So click on the script mode. So you will see automatically some import packages will be there for you. So you can start writing your code with web UI dot and which action you need to perform. Open browser. So just click on open browser. Pass the URL in that. Right. So our next action is going to be click on link. So web UI dot click. So on which object we are going to click. We are going to click on the anchor link of the sign in. So just drag and drop. See. So in the same way, we are going to use our some actions. Next is our user email address. Okay. Maybe UI dot set text. Right. So which is the object? Our object is user underscore email. Just copy here. And what is the value? You have to give the value. Right. So our next action is for password. So as password is very confidential, so we are going to use web UI dot set encrypted password. Right. So we are going to use this password object and the value. I have already encrypted my password value. Just enter the value. Let me remove some extra words. Right. So our next action is going to be click on sign in button. I'm going to click on this sign in button. Right. After that, we are going to close our browser. So web UI dot close browser. So our script is ready. So let's try to run in Chrome browser. So it will enter the email address and password. We have given some encrypted password, so it will automatically decrypt that password. Yes. So you can see our test case is passed and all the steps are passed in there. So why we are calling this as a script mode? So you are writing basically a code in the script mode editor, and you can write your script in a Java or Groovy language as well. And if you want to write some Selenium code and some TestNG code, that also you can write in the script mode. For that, you can write some customized keywords and that you can call in your test case. So that's all about how we can create this test case in a script mode. So thank you guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.